back. Again, as I mentioned, I will give you some example problem regarding this cofunction. Okay, so first example. Okay. Determine the value of angle x if sine x is equal to cosine 30 degrees. Okay, as you can see, guys, our first problem states that determine the value of angle x, okay, if sine x is equal to cosine 30 degrees. Okay, guys, you remember the 6 cofunction identities. Okay, so solution, we need to find the value of x, how much angle in terms of degrees. Okay, so solution, using cofunction relation or identities, cofunction relation of sine theta is equal to cosine 90 degrees minus theta. Okay, so we're using sine theta, this one. Okay, in order to find the angle x, value of x, how much degrees. Okay, so sine, okay, what is the angle, guys, in terms of x? This one is in terms of x, this is the angle x. Now we need to replace theta replace theta into x. Okay, because this is the requirement, we need to find how much angle x. So sine x, okay, is equal to cosine, okay, times 90 degrees, okay, minus replace theta into x. Okay, since this is our requirement, okay, how much angle. So this is now the cofunction relations based on that problem. Now, as you can see, guys, what will be the value of sine x as per the given problem? The given problem is the value of sine x is equal to cosine 30 degrees. Okay, so the value of this sine x is equal to cosine 30 degrees. Okay, so write cosine 30 degrees, okay, is equal to, copy this one, cosine, okay, 90 degrees minus x. Okay, see, guys, you know where I got these functions. This is given. Okay, sine x is equal to cosine 30. The value of sine x is to be equal to cosine 30 as per the given problem, and to be equated to the cosine 90 degrees minus x. Okay, so since they have both cosine functions, so we can cancel this cosine. Okay, cancel cosine. Now the remaining will be 30 degrees is equal to 90 degrees minus x. Okay? You followed, guys? Why this is cancelled? The same, okay? The same. If I bring down this cosine 30 like this, okay? Cosine 90 degrees minus x, okay? Over cosine, cancel cosine, the remaining is 30 is equal to 90 degrees minus x. It is the same, correct? Right? Now, to simplify further, in order to find the value of angle x, okay, so transfer the negative x to the left side, okay, x is equal to 90 degrees, transfer to the right side, minus 30. So x is equal to, how much, guys? 90 minus 30 degrees is equal to 60 degrees. Okay. So this is the answer for this problem. How much the value of angle x in terms of degrees? So there are 60 degrees. Okay. Right? Now, another example, okay, let me write somewhere here, second sample, okay. Sample number 2. Determine the value of x, okay, if secant 3x is equal to cosecant x plus 22 degrees. Okay. So this is our problem, guys. Determine the value of x, or the in terms of degrees, if the secant 3x is equal to cosecant x plus 22 degrees. So we need to find the x, guys. How much degrees? How many degrees? Okay. Now, solution. Again, using a cofunction identity of secant theta. Okay, since you are talking about her secant, so secant theta, okay, is equal to cosecant 90 minus theta. Okay, cosecant 90 minus theta. Okay, then we can write secant, okay, secant 3x is equal to cosecant, okay, this one, x plus 22 degrees. Okay, see, guys, what is the value of secant 3x? secant theta will be equal to cosecant 90 degrees minus theta. So since our theta is times 3, okay? So cosecant, this one, cosecant times 90 degrees minus 3x, okay, is equal to this one, guys, cosecant, okay, times x plus 22 degrees. Okay, I hope you followed. Where I got this one? Since secant 3x or secant x or secant theta is this one is equal to cosecant 90 degrees minus theta. See our cofunction here. Cosecant times 90 degrees minus theta. Okay. So the value of x will be times 3. So it is 3x. We replace theta in terms of x, okay? We replace this theta in terms of x because our variable is in terms of x. It's our requirement, okay? Now to simplify further this expression, we can cancel this cosecant from both sides, okay? Similar with the first problem. Now the remaining expression will be equal to 90 degrees minus 3x is equal to this one, x plus 22 degrees. Okay. So by rearranging or transferring to the other sides will be 90 degrees minus 22 is equal to x plus 3x. Okay. So 90 minus 22, how much, guys? So 68. Is equal to x plus 3x equal to 4x. Okay. To bring down 4, cancel. So x will be equal to how much the value? 68 divided by 4. So there are 17 degrees. Okay, guys. So I hope you understand our example, second example problem regarding cofunction identities. Okay. So again, kindly like, share, and subscribe our channel para mas updated pa kayo sa mga future videos namin na isi-share, okay, regarding plane trigonometry under right triangle. So again, guys, thank you for watching and have a nice day.